Recipe Biryani. Chicken remain with salt 30 minutes and washed. Take cooking oil. Two cut slice onion add. Cut slice ginger chopped garlic as per choice. Little salt red chili turmeric mix garam masala sprinkle on chicken. Well mix all. Take food color, add 1 spoon yogurt. Mix well. When onion brown, add chicken. Well fry. Add dry masala as per choice. Add tomatoes. Add cut slice green chili. Add imli water. For rice, water boiled and add sabat garam masala. Add washed and dip in water rice already 2 hours. Rice half boiled. Qorma ready. Now strain out half-boiled rice and qorma is ready. First layer qorma. Second layer rice. Lastly, food color add. Then 15 minutes on dam. Biryani ready, serve with Waheeda. Tasty.